Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how to create greeting cards. Hi everyone! I have been busy using the Simon Says Stamp Vented Star die. It looks like this. I also pulled out another die, the Million Thanks die by Sissix. I will put the link in the description below, but that is how I got these stars. I pulled out some card bases. I die cut quite a few of these stars out of different types of papers that I had in my stash. I took the pieces out of the die and I inserted them into the slots, glued them in place, used my pick-me-up. This has like a sticky area on the back side here so you can easily pick up papers or sequins or anything like that. Might be nice to have a few sequins on there. I don't know. I maybe could add some dots going around this, but that would totally change the vibe of the card, like in white. Oh, I could add dashes. It's just... Okay, this is the Nouveau Crystal Drops Gloss Simply White. Ooh, that's really tiny. Oh, that changes the whole feel of the card, don't you think? I'm trying to put as little as I can on here. I really don't want the bubbles. I just want some dashes. Do I need any more? I should have just left it.
Man, you wrecked it.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to go around the whole card.
It's much better if you're more sure of yourself and just go. Because the first side looks dumb.
I don't think it looks dumb, Sassy. I think I could fix it.
Just like you fixed that?
Maybe not like that, but I could try. There we go. Okay, I think I fixed it, but it probably still looked a little bit more classy the other way. This one I think needs to have something just because it's so weird. This one I'm not touching. This one I don't think I'm gonna touch. And then these two can just be crazy. I think the dashes kind of remind me of like sewing, and I don't have a sewing machine. If I had one, I would be stitching this paper.
Oh no, it looks like a dot and not a dash.
Oh well, they look like they're a pair, and that's what really kind of matters in the set. So that's all we're gonna do to that.
I'm gonna say that they are donezo.
You can't call it Sassy, only I get to call it.
Well, looky here. You think you're the boss of me?
I am today. This die helped me create all of these. And I wasn't sure what kind of effect this die was going to have, but I enjoy it. There's a few of these that are not really centered or perfect, but I don't care.
I mean, it wouldn't be handmade if it didn't have a little bit of crooked in it, right?
At least that's what I'm going to tell myself. Here we go. It's a patriotic card for whatever you need.
I feel like I should be singing like a patriotic song.
Like what?
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of green, for purple mountain majesty, above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his love on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. Yeah, I think that's how it goes, maybe.
Well, I had a star-spangling banner of a time getting these things together, and I'm happy you were tagging along. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things,
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!